Hello YouTube, I have another new item unboxing which will be used with my electronic suction cup. Let's unwrap it. It is a articulating magic arm from NEEWER. Here it is. Package listing. Yep, I would say the same. And here is also my NEEWER phone holder, and I also am using a NEEWER camera cage. Not that I'm particularly buying NEEWER, but I like the... You can find this in the link in the description, as well as my other OTF knife that I made reviews. I find NEEWER better and less expensive than, say, for example, small rig. Here's another warning. I guess it says do not eat. We have a manual. I don't know how much manual you can need for something like that, but anyway, for anybody interested, they can stop the video. I'm probably still not able to read it, so we'll skip that. And here it is. It's small. I like it. It has a sticker. I will remove that later. You know, it's funny that you see it on the pictures. Here's actually the link. I will put also the link in the description. This one does cost $25.34 currently. They do go up and down in price, plus there's a coupon that you can use. This is all aluminum, nothing plastic. The pins are spring loaded, obviously. Now let's open this, and it has a, I don't know if you can see it if I don't shake my camera. It has tiny teeth here that help hold it in position once you screw it together. Now let's just turn on my suction cup. And in my last video I tried to double click to get it off. I was clicking too fast, so anyway, oops, and I forget to do that, to take the protection off. And some people, they push it down. You don't have to do that, it does it all by itself. So as a reminder, just slow double click and it does come off. And this one has 1/4 inch on both sides. There are some that have 3/4, no, 3/8. So anyway, am I in camera? Yes, I am. So we can use this on this side, for example. And adjust it to the position you like. Oops, turn it, there you go. And it holds steady, obviously. And just for the fun of it, let's mount my camera on here. And you cannot see it, so and there you go. Works beautifully. I also have, where is it? I did receive this as well. It's oh, I can't think of the name. It came in this packaging. It has a warranty, oh no, control card in there. This one is Leap Light, yes. And I will also put a link in the description for this, because this will be the, I might use this one to attach actually the camera to it. And you just heard it maybe. It did turn the motor on and sucked itself to the table again. And that takes less than a second. I actually had the cup with a weight of 2 kilograms attached to it, running, and it went from full to 50% down in over almost 2 days. Almost 2 days. I mean, this is so I will most likely use this and then have my camera mounted to this, because this will be stronger in holding the camera. Then there you go. Works beautifully. So overall, I am very happy with what I have, and now after I wash my car, I can try this on the car and see what kind of footage I get, and will share that with you. So on that, why can I not remember the name? Anyway, I will show you that in the next video more. So this is it. This is the arm, and it has, oh, what I'm not missing at all, but normally you always get a Allen key, so you can use a slightly bigger Allen key to really tighten these screws down, which I do like. And it seems like there's a screw here as well, so you could change that out for another, because you can get these parts separately as well. So I might get one with a 3/8 screw and be able to mount it on here with that. But overall, I really do like this. Of course, as I said, it's all aluminum. What I will do, since the holes do not match here, I will drill 2 holes in here so they engage in here, and it makes that absolutely secure. So you cannot twist it. But NEEWER, and I did pay for this myself. It was not sent to me, so I can say whatever I like about it. But there is nothing bad I can say about this here. Nothing at all. And once it's of course unscrewed, you can turn these wherever you like, in whichever position you like, obviously. And I like the size. I didn't want it too big, so it would hang too much off the suction cup. And yeah, I like this. That thing turns almost like on bearings with little or no play. Very good quality, really like it. And some of these are really expensive, so 25 wollte ich schon sagen. I was gonna say 25 in German. There are way more expensive ones, and you don't need that. You don't need that, really. Same as with the suction cup. There are companies that cost 3 times as much as this one, and the motor is so loud. It's like those air pumps that you use on your car, like battery operated. they are that loud. Actually, speaking of pumps, I did order one for my car, and I will show that to you as well as soon as it arrives. And this one is absolutely beautiful. Here I do have a 1/4 inch. I could, if I'm like mounting it on the side, I could directly mount this one on here, obviously. So there's 3/8 over here, 1/4 over here, and then you have 4 more 1/4 here and 1 3/8, all with those I don't know how you, something pins they're called, so it won't turn on you once this is tightened down, and then you can also tighten a little further with the Allen key. It's not gonna come off. And I absolutely love this. So thanks to nobody but myself, I paid for these myself and I really like them. Arca mount. And this is it, the Leap Light LYF2. I mean, funny with all the numberings and the names they come up with. And this also has a 3/4 1/4 inch and 3/8 with an adapter. So this was it for today, and in my next video I will show you hopefully some nice shots from me driving the car, or my car driving. You not necessarily have to see me in the car, depends on what I'm gonna do. And this is it. Thanks for watching and take care everybody, and do check the links in the description. They are affiliate links. I'll get, I don't know, 3-5% of the value if you use them. They are not more expensive for you than they would regularly be. So, and I would appreciate if you do help me out. You can also subscribe to my channel, like the video, that would help as well, and it doesn't cost anything to you. And yeah, this is also, I might make a video again, full metal, very nice. It's rotating. Well, I'm coming up with words now. You can turn it and then you can tighten it down. You can also, when you open this, you can tighten it as well, and then it stays, your phone stays put. I'm recording this video with my phone, my Sony phone. I have the Motorola here. I will also make videos with the phone as well, just to see the difference and whatnot. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching and take care everybody.